Hello everyone, I am Rudy Kurniawan. So today I will make a video to complete my middle test assignment. The title is Vaping is Better Than Smoking. So recently vaping is emerged as another alternative to smoking traditional cigarette. Many people think this is a safer and more socially acceptable option, although both habits are unhealthy because they involve inhaling substance into the lungs. Here are some compelling reasons to believe that vaping is a better choice when compared to smoking. The first reason is that the health risks associated with vaping are much lower than those of smoking. Traditional cigarettes contain many harmful chemicals, including tar and carbon monoxide, which are known to cause serious health problems such as lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory problems. In contrast, vaping primarily involves inhaling e-liquids that evaporate and generally contain lower toxic substances. Although the long-term effects of vaping are still being studied, existing research suggests that vaping poses fewer health risks than smoking. Additionally, vaping offers a level of customization that cigarettes can match. E-liquids come in a wide variety of flavors, from classic tobacco and menthol to exotic fruits and dessert. This variation allows users to tailor the vaping experience to personal preferences, making it a more enjoyable alternative. Additionally, many e-liquid products can have their nicotine level adjusted to suit its individual needs, giving users the option to gradually reduce their nicotine intake and potentially stop altogether. Social consideration also play an important role in the appeal of vaping over smoking. The smell produced by cigarette smoke is notoriously unpleasant and can stick to clothes and hair. In contrast to vaping, the vapor release has a variety of odors which can be said to be pleasant but tends to dissipate quickly and leave no odor at all, making it wiser choice for the people around you. Additionally, many public places prohibit smoking due to its unpleasant odor and health hazard, but vaping is often permitted, providing greater freedom and convenience for users. Environmental impact is another area where vaping has the edge over smoking. Cigarette butts are one of the most common form of litter, taking years to decompose and often ending up in ocean and waterways, harming wildlife. Vaping devices, while not without their own environmental concern, generate less waste and can often be reused or recycled, reducing the overall environmental footprint. Financial consideration also favor vaping over smoking, although the initial cost of a vaping device can be higher. The ongoing expense of purchasing a liquid tends to be lower than that of buying packs of cigarettes. Over time, vapers can save a significant amount of money compared to smokers. Additionally, because e-liquid come in various size and price range, user can choose options that fit, fit their budget. And lastly, technological advancement in the vaping industry continue to improve the safety and efficacy of vaping devices. Newer models are designed with better battery, safety, leak prevention, and more efficient nicotine delivery system. This, ad- this advancement help mitigate some of the risks associated with earlier models and enhance the overall user experiences. And disclaimer, why I give such reason that vaping is potentially better than smoking is because I was previously a smoker who could be classified a heavy smoker. Who is that? Why is that? Because when I smoke, I can spend one pack in a day, and the price of cigarette at that time is around 25K per pack. And in total, in a month, I can spend around 7,050K. Over time, I felt the impact, starting from not being able to save money, clothes, and my whole body smelling bad because of the cigarette smoke. Therefore, I decided to quit smoking and replace it with vaping. And it turns out that after I did research on the internet about the impact of vaping, it turns out that the impact is not as bad as that produced by cigarettes, but both still have the potential to cause disease, especially in the respiratory area. Apart from that, the flavors in vape liquids are very varied, so I can adjust them to my wishes, and my favorite is the dessert flavor, like this blueberry cheese cream cake. And lastly, of course, the price of this liquid is much cheaper, namely in Indonesia around 1050K per bottle containing 60 milli, and I can only finish one bottle in 1 month. Of course, this amount is much different compared to when I smoke at the time. So, what are you waiting for? For those who smoke and feel wasteful in spending money, switch to vaping right now because it has the potential to be better than smoking. You can save more, of course, the liquid tastes varied, and of course, the vapor doesn't bother people around you because it has pleasant smell. In conclusion, while both vaping and smoking are unhealthy habits due to inhaling substances into the lungs, vaping presents several advantages over traditional smoking. Vaping is associated with lower health risks, over customizable option for flavor and nicotine levels, has a less offensive smell, is often more socially acceptable, and poses a lesser environmental impact. In addition, vaping can be more cost-effective over time, and continuous technological advancement advancement are enhance the safety and efficiency of vaping devices. This factor collectively make vaping a better alternative to smoking traditional cigarettes. Finally, for closing, if you used to be a heavy smoker like me, immediately switch to vaping right now. And as a reminder, if you have never smoked or vape at all, don't ever try these two things because neither of them is healthy. So just breathe air because it's healthy and of course it's free. Thank you so